Enzo Maresca has picked a strong starting 11 with Robert Sanchez in goal and a backline of Caicedo, Chalobah, Colwill, and Cucurella. Romeo Lavia and captain Enzo Fernandez anchor midfield, with Madueke, Palmer, and Pedro Neto supporting Nicholas Jackson up front. Big names like Reece James and Christopher Nkunku are among the substitutes, alongside Jadon Sancho. For Everton, Jordan Pickford captains a team desperate for points. Patterson, O'Brien, Branthwaite, and Mykolenko start at the back, with Ghana, Garner, and Doucouré forming a rugged midfield trio. Harrison, Ndiaye, and Bato lead the attack. Moyes has options on the bench, including McNeil, Coleman, and Ashley Young. Chelsea are unbeaten in their last 29 home games against Everton, with the Toffees' last win at Stamford Bridge coming way back in 1994, a time when Friends had just aired its first episode.